We'll guide you through how to zoom in and zoom out on our laptop screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you went and found that your laptop screen has zoomed in loads like this, and you're wondering how can you go and zoom it out. Often you may have hit some keys together and that went and happened. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and zoom in, but also go and zoom out with a simple keyboard shortcut. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you're going to end up having your laptop zoomed in or zoomed out. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So there's actually a tool which is just going to open up my laptop called Magnifier. And with that, you're able to go and zoom in and therefore then zoom back out on your screen. So to go and do this, we do it with a shortcut. What you need to do is you need to go and hold down the keys. First of all, you hold down the Windows key, and then you're going to go and be using the plus and minus. So for example, let me go and press on the Windows key here. It's quite hard to do with one hand, but I'm holding Windows key and then plus, and I pressed it once and the magnifier is opened, and I'll start pressing it. And as you can see, I'm now zooming in like so. You can then go and use your cursor and go and move around as you can see. But now I want to go and zoom out. So then we can go and hold the Windows key and the minus, and you can keep pressing it or just go and hold it and you can quickly go and zoom out, as you can see.